I'm going to finish off with Jenny Clarke, who is going to finish with something rather nice. And then afterwards, I'll say goodbye and all the rest of it. So, Jenny, the screen is yours.
Good evening, everybody. I wrote this poem actually well before lockdown, when I'd finished a night shift and I was looking out of my window and it was early morning and the sun was just coming up. And it still gets me a bit emotional, so I hope it doesn't get you too emotional. I hope you feel positive at the end of it. So I'm going to read it now. It's called Skybird. I gazed out of my window straight ahead at the morning sky. A beautiful golden flicker caught my eye. A single white bird ascending into the sun of dawn made me stop my worrying, become mindful and less forlorn. Its wings reflected the golden sun on every downward swoop. I couldn't stop staring. I felt my heart go whoop. This bird, it worked so hard to rise, then glided gently down. The moment helped me switch off my mind. I lost my concerned frown. I felt at one with nature. Time so still and quiet did stand. I wanted it to last forever. Imagine myself above the land. So if you're ever feeling anxious and you're not sure what to do, seek out a gliding skybird and the answer might come to you.
Thanks for watching this video from the Maternity and Midwifery Forum. For more expert opinion and analysis, hit the button below to subscribe.